Nomadic.
After getting a feel of some of the regions in New Zealand's Northern Islands, I will take you back to the capital and let us explore some of the beaches here in Wellington. They are popular chill spots during summer. Tara at samahan niyo ako and let's biyahe with me in New Zealand. I am your Nomadic One and this is episode 5.
Nomadic.
Kamusta mga One? I'm your Nomadic One, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. So by this time, it's our episode 5 na tayo. So maalala nyo dun sa episode 3, binago natin yung tagline natin, which is Journey with me in New Zealand. So ngayon, biyahe with me in New Zealand kasi tayo ang hugot travel bay na may puso. For this vlog, i-feature natin yung mga beaches dito sa New Zealand kung saan tayo pumupunta, like Island Bay, Lyell Bay, Scorching Bay, and try din natin pumunta ng Oriental Bay kung kakayanin. So iikot tayo dito sa mga beaches na to sa vlog na to. So first stop is Scorching Bay. So yun, keep on watching everyone.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame?
Scorching Bay. This popular Sunday inner harbor bathing beach has a large grass area and is sheltered from the northerly winds. It is a great place to soak up to the sun and watch ships entering and leaving the harbor. Located dito ang Scorchorama, a popular cafe near the beach. The best ang milkshakes nila dito.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are.
So swerte natin kasi walang masyadong tao ngayon, although it's Sunday. Pero pag mga normal days, maraming mga tao dito nakatambay, relax and chill sila. Yun, enjoy natin muna natin yung view. Last time na punta namin dito, may mga nakita kaming mga tahong. Edible naman siya pero hindi lang ganun kasarap. Fresh siya pero may mga buha-buhangin. So try nating magtingin ulit. Buhay pa ba siya? Parang hindi na. Ang galaw pa ba? Lagyan natin yan. Yes. So yun, nakakuha tayo ng isa lang. Tingin ba tayo ng iba? At dahil isa lang yung nakita natin na tahong, ibabalik natin siya dito. Balik na tayo. So ayun lang talaga yung challenge everyone, pag pupunta kayo dito sa mga beaches dito sa New Zealand or Wellington, malamig siya. So kung kaya nyong maligo, go, pero sobrang lamig siya mga yun. At pupunta sana tayo dun sa may Scotts Orama kanina para at least bumili ng hot chocolate or coffee, pero unfortunately, sarado sila ngayon. So, babalik na lang tayo next time. At yun ang Scorching Bay. And try natin. Just keep on watching everyone. Puntahan natin yung ibang mga beaches dito sa Wellington. So, yun. Keep on watching everyone.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Boulder, go bolder. Set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be.
Yo everyone, and welcome back to our installment ng ating beach vlog in Wellington. So next stop natin is andito tayo sa may Island Bay. So last time na nagpunta tayo dito, nakakita tayo ng seal, pero try natin yung luck natin kasi parang high tide siya ngayon, pero sana makakita pa rin tayo ng seal. So nagpunta muna kami ng Wucha. Here, Wucha. So recommended ko siya guys sa mga nandito sa may Wellington area. Check nyo to sa may Tearo along Dixon Street ata, hindi ako nagkakamali, or Torres Street, basta yun. So yun, it's sunny day everyone. So pumunta tayo dito sa may Island Bay. Check natin kung anong meron dito ngayon. Keep on watching. Island Bay is a coastal suburb of Wellington, situated 5 kilometers south of the city center. 500 meters offshore in Island Bay lies Taputeranga Island, which forms a natural breakwater and provides a sheltered anchorage for local fishing boats. This is my favorite chill spot among the bays, and if you are lucky enough, makakita ka ng seals at penguins sa dalampasigan. Meron ding coffee cart dito for coffee lovers. Try nyo ang cinnamon bread nila dito. It's recommended. So ayun mga biglang nalubat yung ating GoPro. So this is muna tayo dito sa may iPhone natin. Try nating maghanap ng seal kung meron. Kasi last time doon ko nakita yung yung may seal. So parang wala siya ngayon. Pero tingnan natin, lapitan natin, baka meron. Nagtatago lang. Hindi tayo sinuwerte ngayong araw, wala tayong nakitang seal. And that's Island Bay, everyone. So ayun nga, nalobat ang ating GoPro at wala tayong nakitang seal today. So next time siguro pagbalik natin, makita ulit natin yung seal na nakita natin last time. So ayun, medyo malamig lang dito pero kaya naman. So ayun, next stop natin is Lyall Bay. So keep on watching, everyone. Lamig.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say.
Yo! So, welcome to Lyall Bay, everyone. Andito tayo sa may Lyall Bay ngayon. Kagaling lang natin ng night shift and maganda yung panahon. So, dumiretso tayo ng Lyall Bay. Ito yung beach na surfing area dito sa Wellington. Pero meron ditong malapit na kainan, yung Spruce Goose. The best siya for brunch, ganon. Madami silang mga burgers and everything. So try nyo kung mapupunta kayo dito sa may Wellington area, try nyo ang Spruce Cruise. Ilalagay ko yung location below. Lyall Bay. The bay is a popular surf beach featuring a breakwater at the eastern end. It is home to 2 surf life-saving clubs and has also been the site of surf life-saving championships. Lyall Bay is a very popular and safe swimming beach. For plane enthusiasts, perfect spot ang beach na to for plane watching dahil sobrang lapit nito sa airport. Located din dito ang Spruce Goose, isang kilalang resto dahil sa breakfast menu nila. This is also a must try. That's Spruce Goose, mga wan. So kumain tayo dun ng breakfast burger at masarap siya, lalong lalo na yung hot chocolate nila. So yun, magandang tambayan din yun, maganda yung sceneries and everything. Talagang kitang kita mo yung beach side, beach view. So ayun, yun ang Lyall Bay, and next stop natin is last part na yun, yung Oriental Bay natin. So keep on watching, everyone. Yo! Kamusta mga wans? And this is the last installment para sa ating vlog sa mga beaches dito sa Wellington. And our last stop is sa Oriental Bay at papunta tayo doon ngayon. At kung mapapansin nyo, bagong gupit si Nomadic One. So ayun mga wan, puntahan natin yung Oriental Bay and doon na natin i-outro tong vlog natin kasi masyado nang mahaba. So just a recap, pumunta tayo ng Island Bay, Lyall Bay, saka Scorching Bay. So ayun, keep on watching mga wan. Oriental Bay. This is Wellington's most popular beach. Oriental Bay is one of Wellington's prime locations with a sandy beach and great restaurants. just minutes from the city center. The area is home to many of Wellington's most luxurious properties, with a mix of old character houses and modern luxury apartments. Located dito ang sikat na Carter Fountain. After relax and chill dito, you can head to the city center para sa gastronomic adventures. At yun, nandito tayo sa may Oriental Bay mga wan. So ito yung beach na malapit sa may city ng Wellington, sa suburb area nila. Dito din located yung mga luxurious properties ng Wellington. Yan, kung nakikita nyo itong mga to, puro mga condos yung mga yan, mga luxurious units. And here, kung nakikita nyo yung etong fountain na to, yung Carter Fountain kung tawagin nila, based yun dun sa isang fountain sa may Geneva na pinangalan kay Hugh Carter. So yun usually yung parang photo spot dito sa may Oriental Bay. So dito nag-jog yung mga tao, chill spot. Usually mga Sunday maraming tao dito. So yun, walang masyadong makikita dito sa may Oriental Bay. Relax lang, ganyan. So ayun mga wan, tatapusin ko na tong vlog na to. So it's our vlog featuring the beaches here sa Wellington. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, I'm your Nomadic One, ang iyong Hugot Travel Bay na may puso. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. So this is episode 5 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. So ayun mga wan, tatapusin ko na. And see you on our next vlog. At para sa ating mga ka-work-life balance dyan, I saw this on social media the other day and let me share it with you. It's time to normalize these things. Pag absent, absent ka. Huwag mong isipin ang naiwang work mo, kaya ka nag-absent kasi may rason ka not to work. You have other priorities for that day, whether for your rest, a special occasion for your loved one, taking a break, having a vacation, etc. Make the most out of your absence. Pangalawa, if you're sick, take a leave. Pag naka-sick leave, rest. Hindi ka naman work from home, but naka-sick leave, hindi ka robot. Pangatlo, remember, you are replaceable. Pag work sa workplace lang yon, hindi ka employee sa bahay mo. You're a loving parent, child, or spouse. You are more than just an employee. Pangapat, promote well-being and self-care. Saying no when the work is overwhelming is a form of self-care. Don't glorify overworking. Work smarter, not harder. Panglima, when we die, our positions will be filled again after a few months. But the vacuum and void in our families and at our homes might be costly. And lastly, take a break. Magbakasyon, mag-travel. Have a me time too. Tandaan nyo everyone, maikli lang buhay. Piliin yung maging masaya. Let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness.
Don't you know that you're beautiful?